This is a quick video to show you guys how to use this ARB E-Z Deflator. So it comes in this nice little pouch. You open it up and it's just a one piece with some instructions. So I'll throw that down. And this is all it is, a gauge so you can see the tire pressure and some pieces that screw right onto the tire for easy deflation. So I'll show you how it works right here. So first you obviously need to unscrew the cap. And then to start, you start with the valve pulled out and make sure that this part is pushed forward. So once that's there, you thread it on. So this part here, screw that clockwise to get it first threaded onto your tire. Make sure that it's fully threaded on and secure with also this forward. So now that that's fully on there, next is push this part in. And this will go into the valve in here. And now we're going to twist clockwise or anti-clockwise to engage this valve, so left. And we're pulling the valve out here, and you'll hear a little bit. And when it's all the way out, this will come on. There. And then if you pull back and push forward, it'll start the deflation process. So you can see we're at about 35, and we'll see how fast it takes to air down to about 15, because that's what most people off-road at. So I've got a stopwatch here, and I'll hit start. You have to push in to get an accurate reading. We're about 30 seconds now, 20 PSI. So there we are at exactly 15, and that took about 50 seconds, give or take, minus the talking. So to stop, the first thing we have to do is re-engage this. Twist clockwise to put the valve back into the tire. Then this part, twist it anti-clockwise, so to the left, and disengage it from the valve. And then if you did everything correctly, it should look just the same as it was before. And you put this back on and you're good to go. You've aired down for off-roading.